Hello everyone, we installed this Mirador Pergola last year and it instantly upgraded our backyard. So this video is part 2. We are adding the panels and turning it into a space we can actually use way more often. To start with, everything came super well packaged in a large crate and each piece inside was protected really nicely. My biggest tip here, as soon as you open the crate, lay everything out by category and match it with the packing list. It saves so much time later when you're mid-install. We started with the shutter walls in the back because that's where we wanted the strongest privacy and windbreak. This is the anchor wall that makes a pergola feel like a room. Assembly has been easy and we actually had our family home for holidays, so thankfully they helped us with the install. I was honestly super impressed with the quality. The panels are really strong, sturdy and look so clean once in place. Once the panels were assembled, we placed them on the track next to each other and secured them safely with concrete screws. Once the shutters were in, the difference was immediate. It instantly felt more private, more finished, and it blocked so much wind from that direction. Next, we moved to pull-down screens on the sides. We wanted something flexible here, something we can drop down when the sun is hitting hard or when it's windy, but also keep open when we want the airy open feel. First, we secured the top unit in place. This part is heavy, so having more people makes it much easier. Next, we installed the side channels, and again, the key here is straight alignment so the screen runs smoothly. After that, we tested the pull down and lock mechanism before fully tightening everything because small adjustments here make a big difference. This part was honestly easier than the shutters, but it still requires patience because you want it to feel smooth, not sticky or uneven. Next, we moved on to sliding doors in the front. This is what really completes the look and makes it feel like a true outdoor room, but still gives us easy access and openness whenever we want. First, we installed the top track and we made sure it was perfectly level before moving on. Later, we installed the bottom track, and this is where measurement matters because the doors need to sit evenly for a clean slide. Look at those doors and the packaging. We absolutely love the quality of it. Next, we set the door panels in place. And removing those covers is the most satisfying part of this process. The doors glide so smoothly and they also have a locking mechanism. And that's part 2 of our Mirador Pergola setup. Between the shutter wall in the back, the pull-down screens on the sides, and the sliding doors in the front, this no longer feels just like a pergola. It feels like a real outdoor living room. If you're planning this setup and want me to link all the exact pieces we used, comment panel and I'll send you everything. And if you have any questions about the measurements, install or tools, drop them in the comments and I'll help you through it.